Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abraham. In today's video, we're going to explore Feel Like a Virgin. Again, a comprehensive guide to vaginal health. Make sure to stick around until the end for more important tips and insights. Let's get started.
There are several approaches to vaginal rejuvenation, some of which can make the vaginal area feel tighter or more youthful. These methods range from natural exercises to medical procedures. Here are a few common options. 1. Kegel exercises. Purpose: strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. How to do it. 1. Identify the right muscles by stopping urination midstream. 2. Contract these muscles for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. 3. Repeat 10 to 15 times, 3 times a day. 2. Pelvic floor therapy. Purpose: improve pelvic floor strength and coordination. How to do it. Work with a physical therapist specializing in pelvic floor health for personalized exercises and treatments. 3. Healthy lifestyle. Purpose: maintain overall pelvic health. How to do it. Eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and avoid smoking. 4. Medical procedures. Vaginoplasty. Surgical procedure to tighten the vaginal muscles. Laser therapy. Non-invasive procedure, using lasers to stimulate collagen production and tighten the vaginal tissue. Radiofrequency treatment. Uses radiofrequency energy to tighten vaginal tissue and increase collagen production. 5. Vaginal tightening products. Purpose: temporary tightening of the vaginal area. How to do it. Various creams, gels, and suppositories claim to tighten the vaginal area. Use as directed, but be cautious and consult a healthcare provider before use. Consultation with healthcare provider. Purpose: ensure safety and appropriateness of chosen methods. How to do it. Discuss concerns and goals with a gynecologist or specialist to get personalized recommendations and ensure there are no underlying health issues. It's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any treatment or procedures to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual health needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care.